Hey guys, if you're running an online business, Skrill is still one of the fastest ways to accept payments worldwide. And today I will show you exactly how to set it up for your store or digital service. Start by signing into your Skrill account, then go to Settings, Business Profile. If your account is still personal, click Upgrade to Business. You'll enter your business name, website URL, product category, and expected monthly volume. Submit your documents, usually proof of identity, proof of address, business registration if applicable. Approval typically takes from few minutes to 48 hours depending on your region. Once approved, go to Merchant Tools inside your Skrill dashboard. Here you will see API keys and merchant IDs, webhook settings, and integration guides. Select your platform: Shopify, WooCommerce, e-commerce, Wix, custom website, marketplace, or e-commerce, as we mentioned, script. Download the official Skrill payment plugin or copy your API key into your checkout system. Enable payment methods you want: credit or debit card, Skrill to Skrill, rapid transfer, or pay save cash. Finally, open account settings, verification, and make sure sending limits and receiving limits are lifted so you don't get blocked when customers stop paying. Before launching, make a test payment. Skrill has a full sandbox mode for developers, and that's your full online business setup. Fast, reliable, global friendly, and perfect for freelancers, e-commerce owners, and digital service providers. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.